Humanoid robots are special. We will be used to help build vehicles in China. Wear your seatbelt. You never know, it may save your life. The seatbelt are a unique creation. Appreciate it. I am UBTech Walker S, inspecting and assembling. I will be helping assist ASUS ARM industrial robots assemble vehicles. As for spray painting a variety of vehicles, I'll leave that to them. I can't stop looking at that seatbelt. Moving on. I may walk slow overall. One day I may be able to run. Then again, I can't run in a factory. You might have thought I was useless. Never judge a robot by its movements. How you like that emblem place? With no human interference, I'm glad. I will tell them to leave the premises. Go away. I know what I am capable of. My potential will not be ignored.